Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking a provider and installing its desktop app so syncing can happen automatically. Once installed, sign in with the account you will use for backups and choose the folders you want synchronized. Prioritize documents and photos first. Make sure the app is set to start with your laptop so new files upload continuously. This reduces manual steps and prevents version drift. If you use multiple devices, linking them now helps keep file versions consistent across your workflow. Once done with the basics, configure Selective Sync to keep large folders online only and save local disk space. This matters if your SSD is limited. Next, enable encryption and two-factor authentication to protect data in transit and at rest. These settings prevent unauthorized access. Make sure file versioning and retention are set to the time frame you need for recovery. Finally, throttle bandwidth if uploads slow other tasks. That keeps your laptop responsive during heavy sync periods. To finish, verify that recent files uploaded and perform a quick restore test to confirm you can recover data. This proves the system works. Once verified, schedule periodic checks and keep your local and cloud folders organized to avoid duplicates. If conflicts appear, use the provider's conflict resolution tools to merge or choose the correct version. If sync stops, restart the desktop app, confirm internet access, and check your storage quota. Those 3 steps resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.